For June, the flexion extension horizontal, we're doing a cross crunch. So the basic version would be on the floor. If you've got a Swiss ball, you could use that. Otherwise, just on the floor, coming up, reaching over, breathing in as you come back, breathing out as you come across and up. To make it a bit harder, just reach with the elbow like that, and keeping that elbow wider to make it even harder. So just that shoulder is coming over. You can have the legs out a bit further to make it harder again. Cross cobra, easier version, we keep one hand down, reach, so that hand that's on the ground supports. To make it harder, you're going to lift both up, reach, and then harder again, you don't quite touch the ground. Breathing in as you come up, breathe out as you come down, getting around 6 reps, 3 each side in the minute, and then doing 3 sets of that, so 6 minutes worth. Good core work. Simple and effective.